So to take the screenshot, what you have to do is that you have to click on this camera icon. It is also saying export frame. If you can't see this particular button, what you have to do is click on this plus, and then you can see there are a lot of other buttons available over here. So you can just click on that button that you want to show it here, and then click on OK. So since it is already there, I'm just gonna click on this button, and then you can see that it has taken this image, and you can also select the format as well, like if you want to save it in JPG, PNG, etc. And then you can save it somewhere, and then click on OK. So what happens is that that image will be saved on your hard disk, or you can also import into your project as well. Very handy feature if you want to create a thumbnail out of the frames in a video. Thank you for watching.